Hello, beautiful spirits. Welcome back to Walking on Earth. All these little waterfalls here. Figured y'all enjoy the sounds of this gorgeous flowing water today. Enjoying myself out here. Nature. This is what I love to do. This is me. Thank you for going on all my walks with me. I bless you all. I appreciate every one of you for walking with me, for watching these videos. I'm gonna walk up here down the stream a little ways. You are all amazing. You are all worthy of better lives. We're all worthy of enjoying ourselves, being one with this gorgeous flow. We might not be able to see it, but it's there. And tell me how I'm doing, guys. Let me know in the comments below if I should talk more, if I should just let the silence be and you can hear the birds and the flowing water. I enjoy the input. Because I'm a great learner. I love to learn. I love to express myself, especially now as a gorgeous human. My beautiful soul running this gorgeous avatar for the Lord. Thank you all so much for joining me. Appreciate every one of you. And to all the new people, I am Brent Brown. I love enjoying walking on Earth. This is what I do every day, anywhere from 2 to 4 or even 6 hours at a time. I go for walks, and I wanted to just kind of add you guys to my walks every day and let you know how appreciative I am of our gorgeous Earth right now. I have 8 children, and I want them to see the gorgeous beauty of this Earth and leave them all something worthwhile to see, to enjoy, be able to come and relax. These beautiful places that we all take for granted every day. And it's good to see the awakening happen in everybody. It really is. Open your heart to who you really are. We really do love one another, in not a sensual way. We actually love each other in a gorgeous manner of being humble and respecting each other. Thank you all so much. And let me know if these videos are too long, too short. Like I said, I enjoy the input. Um, Thank you all so much. I feel so blessed every day to be out here with you guys and be out here in nature and enjoying it for what it truly is. Thank you all so much. Much peace, much love. Namaste.